5 seconds. Start. I am very happy to be among you today to inaugurate the International Conference of Energy and Environment Challenges and Opportunities being organized by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSIR is known for its cutting-edge R&D in diverse areas and is a globally benchmarked organization. CSIR covers a wide spectrum of science and technology from physics, oceanography, and earth sciences to genomics and biotechnology, and from nanotechnology to mining, materials, and environmental engineering. CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research Dhanbad is internationally acclaimed because of its rich contributions in coal-based energy-oriented research and for developing safe, productive, and sustainable mining methods. In today's era of rapid technological advance, energy and environment are major concerns not only for developing countries but also for developed countries. Global trends show that coal will remain the predominant energy source for most countries, including India, while renewable sources will also grow. In this connection, I would like to draw your attention towards India's commitments in the Paris Agreement, which came into force on November 4, 2016 to protect our planet from global warming and climate change. At the Paris Climate Conference, India made a number of commitments expressing our strong desire to control carbon emissions through nationally determined contribution targets. These commitments are to lower the emissions intensity of GDP by 33 to 35% by 2030 below the 2005 levels, to increase the share of non-fossil based power generation capacity to 40% of installed electric power capacity by 2030, equivalent to 26 to 30% of generation in 2030, and to create an additional cumulative carbon sink through additional forest and tree cover by 2030. Given this backdrop, I would advise this August gathering to deliberate on development of eco-friendly technologies for green mining. It is important for producers and consumers of conventional energy to evolve more efficient and cleaner processes to ensure environment-friendly use of natural resources. In India, the government is committed to provide power to all citizens at affordable cost as well as boost the national economy through an industrial revolution in tune with Industry 4.0. Therefore, I urge this gathering to come up with actionable ideas on environmental issues related to use of fossil fuels and viable alternatives. In this context, I am glad that this conference will be covering important topics such as conventional energy technologies, renewable and non-conventional energy systems, energy storage and devices, sustainable mining technologies, and environmental issues. It is very pertinent to note that delegates from India and abroad are participating in this event at a historic convention venue that has witnessed several such international conferences and helped formulate key policies and roadmaps. It is a suitable platform for the international community to disseminate, deliberate, and showcase various activities related to energy and environment and discuss research and development opportunities and pathways that could lead to a prosperous, sustainable, and secure energy future. I am confident that after the 3 days deliberations, it will be possible for this gathering to come out with practical and doable recommendations that can make our planet not only more industrially advanced but also help in creating healthy ecosystems and environments for future generations. I wish this international conference a grand success.